Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this topic, I'm going to tell you about the software testing courses on the Udemy. So these are all the free courses which are available on the Udemy platform. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for that, what you need to do, you just need to go to Udemy website. So this is a learning platform on which you will find the various courses. You can do that courses with the price also and with the free also. So they have a subscription also on which you will get a bundle of certificates. So when you go to the Udemy website, what you need to do, you need to just find and type the software testing. And once it gives the result, what you have to do, you have to go down and then you have to select the price. So you can see there are around 100 courses which are available as free on Udemy website. So apart from that, you can just select the level on which you want, like it includes beginner, expert and intermediate level. Then we have other subcategories also, which is a software testing. Then we have a various topics, whether you have to do a software testing or if you have to perform a testing on a particular tool, just like a JMeter, if you want to have testing in a Java, then all these categories are available here. So you can just select any of them, whichever you want. Then we can have a rating also. If the course is have better rating, then you can go with that course also. And then also we have languages for the testing courses. So you can see the language you want, you can just check that language and do the course. So if you go to any course, so if you see here, all the courses are free. So Cucumber with Selenium, Java, JMeter, these are the tools. And then software testing is simple. This is for the beginner. Then we have automation testing like the Selenium, WebDriver, JMeter. So all the courses which you need to do are available. And even though those are free, those are available topic wise. So if I open any one of the course, so you can see these are the free tutorials. So what you can do, you can just enroll in this certification or the course. It's not the certification, it's a course which is available on the Udemy site. So you can just enroll and start the course. So if I go back, what I can see, the course contents are available on the website. So before joining or enrolling into any course, you can just check whether the description of this course matches with your skill sets or not. And according to that, you can just join the course. So you see, there is a requirement, no prior knowledge is required. So you can start even if you don't have any previous knowledge of the software testing. And you will find the reviews also and the instruction who will be instructing us during the software testing course. So yeah, that's it for the video. You will find the software testing courses in this website. Thank you.